Hello and welcome to TC Toolbox. My name's Glenn Keller, and in this demonstration and in this playlist, what we're going to be doing is something a little bit more fun. We're going to break it and learn it. So we're going to break Teamcenter by shutting off random services and seeing how that service impacts the functionality of Teamcenter or Active Workspace by looking at all of the available clients that we have. Now, we'll also get into some of the logs and things that are going to help us understand what could have happened if we only got the error message first. And we're going to do this piece by piece. So each video or each demonstration is going to contain one measure that was taken. So maybe we went into the task manager and deleted a Java process. Maybe we went into the services window and shut down the Teamcenter process manager service. We're going to then take a look at the clients, see if they're still working, and then we're going to track back the log files to see how we could have understood what was happening at that point. So I'm hoping that this resolves a lot of questions that I get with regards to working in the server. A lot of cases when you're having issues, maybe Java was deployed to your server while everything was up, and you've got some weird issues with Java or FMS because of it. How do you kind of get back to what actually went wrong? And the easiest way is to just sabotage a sandbox environment. Don't do this to your production environment. Don't do this to anything that's important. Definitely take a snapshot before you do it in an environment you want to save. We may not get back to where we were in the video, but we are definitely going to learn some stuff. So, in here, just a couple of things that we're going to be focusing on is in the services window in a Windows environment, you have different Teamcenter services that are in here. Everything from here all the way down to here are all Teamcenter related services. Some of which are related to the deployment center interface, and we'll be toggling those off and on to see what kind of functionality or breaks that we get. And then others are related to different features inside of Teamcenter. Things like the Active Workspace searching component, the gateway that hosts our Active Workspace user interface, and other services in this set. So really, we want to see what errors we get, and then we can kind of reference this demonstration going forward if we are seeing an issue in our system to kind of backtrack and resolve it.